Cater for You, and I am here on quarantine and I'm going to do another mukbang. Today I'm doing my seafood. Yep. I got some crabs, some potatoes, shrimp, and oh, I'm doing fish. I don't know who has done fish before, but I love fish. So can you guys see me well? Like, can you see my food? Oh yeah, yes, the blue lipstick. I know it's a bit much, but I feel like it. I feel like, according to my daughter, you look like you're trying to be a genie or something. I was like, oh, Aladdin. How nice. Anyway, so today we're gonna do some seafood boil. I didn't do a boil, I did a bake. So I baked most of my stuff, and this is what I'm gonna do. Shall we? Jesus, let me pray. Amen. Yeah. And I have my butter. I didn't want anything else, no, what do you call it, sauces or anything. I just wanted some good old, look at that shrimp. It looks fine. All the seasonings I have in it and stuff. Like one side packed up with it. Oh my God. Yes, this is what we're having today. Oh yeah, don't look at my nails in it because it's busted. Listen, it's quarantine time. So when we quarantine and we're all locked down at home, this is what we do. We get busted. So, yeah, my nails are looking all, My kids are home. Darn it. Oh, here we go. Prepared. My kids are home, so it's like, for the season. Who licks it? Kids are home, y'all. Should get a space for this or something. There we go. Some butter. It's good to be back. Everyone is on every social media, including myself. That's why I say that. But everyone is on TikTok. Hello, Cater for You. We're on, what do you call it? FaceTime with the WhatsApp, FaceTime with the Zoom, even the kids for school and everything using that Zoom. I think it's great because they're getting to be, computer, what do you call it? Computer whiz and stuff. Like they have all these computers they're working with at home, and it's awesome. I think it's just teaching them, basically how to be more computer savvy. I like it. So, but quarantine, y'all, a lot of people are getting depressed. Shouldn't be so. Don't get depressed. If you believe in a God, pray to your God. Eat more, work out, spend more time with your kids. This is awesome to me. For those of you who don't follow me on Facebook, please follow me on Facebook. Also, like, share, comment, whatever you gotta do. I'm on Facebook. I'm on TikTok. I'm on, not Twitter. I think that's the only thing I'm not on is Twitter. Yeah. I have a Twitter, but I can't remember this password. So, I don't be there. But other than that, I'm on everything, guys. Just look for me. Cater for You. How's everyone doing? Mentally, spiritually. How are you guys coping with your kids? Family members who we're used to seeing every day and can't see them now. I mean, I know it's a struggle. You know what? There's actually some family members who I've been out of contact with I really gotta sit down and make time to call everyone and be like, hey, how you doing? I mean, it's kind of hectic keeping up with everything, you know, and then on top of that, you gotta make sure everyone else outside your home is okay. But yeah, I mean, my parents are like right there, you know, so I don't really have much to worry about because everybody's okay so far. I just found out a third family member of mine has the COVID-19, but I could just say, hey girl, I can't do anything about it. It's sad, but we don't like to sit and just be glum all day. So get into something. Start a new program. Do a new channel. You know? Just occupy yourself and stay happy. Like me, I pick up, I gotta say pick up because I'm cooking more than like 2-3 times a day with the kids, so trash goes out like 2-3 times a week. Sharon. Hey, Shy. Did you want a leg or something? I know you wanted something.
Yes.
I have one daughter who eats a lot of oh, my potato peeling. Sorry. Go ahead, grab.
The entire thing. Thank you.
There's more shrimp over there too, if you want. Ooh, child. Heartburn. Well, guess what? Me don't care. I love food. I should have done some eggs. It's so hard to look at the camera and then it's like, you guys are there, but I'm still looking, you know? I'm getting so out of touch with this thing. And my computer went down, so yeah, shit is hitting the fan. I don't know about y'all. I joined Smule. I'm singing my butt off. I love it. Singing with people from all over the world. I think it's a fun app. I like it. Yeah, that's another social media thing that I have, you know, connected to. You connect with people. You could even talk to them and stuff. I mean, people from Russia, Asia. Yeah. It's really good. Have some really great artists out there. Oh my goodness. And on TikTok, the things that people come up with. I gotta get some jumbo shrimp one day. Because these tiny little suckers, we can't be, you know? We'd be shaming ourselves. What are you talking about? They'd be like, look at them. Look at them from the hood. They got those tiny little crackers. Beloved, darling, how you doing? She be still posting. Good for her. She keep up with her shit. Oh my Lord. When's the last time y'all had seafood or did a mukbang? When's the last time y'all treat yourselves? Some of y'all ordering from out and stuff. Not me. I'm saving every penny. To hell with that. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. Here it goes digging in, right? Nails messy. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Yes, baby. You know what? My light is really a problem because it's like in front of me and I think my hands are blocking. It's not as high as it should be, you know? Oh my God. Fighting up with a damn tiny ass crabs. Come on now. Ay. Yeah. Honey, did you want a fish? I'm doing a mukbang over here. And she all the way over there in the kitchen. Doing her own little mukbang in the corner. Just standing eating mad seafood. Gobbling down on them shrimp. My kids. They like seafood. My son hates seafood.
He's afraid of it.
Could you not talk to me? Could you not talk to me? Do you want a piece of fish?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here what? You're gonna have to get like a dish or something. And your pretty little hand's gonna have to take him out. Excuse me for a little bit. Take it out. Which it may fall apart because it's very tender.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm-hmm. She taking half of my share.
You offered.
I did offer. Well, what you gonna do? The kids home, right? What you gonna do? I can't just... Okay. I can't just sit here and let them watch me eat, you know? What kind of mother would I be? Mm-hmm. Delicious. Wow. Delicious. Okay, I'm getting messy. Oh my God. I don't have no story time for y'all today. How much videos I deleted, y'all? Like, I'd tape stuff and then end up deleting it because it picks up so much space on my phone. And since my computer has crashed, you know, I use my phone now to upload stuff and it sucks, but you know, what the hell? Take what you can get. Still trying, you know? I deleted so much stuff. Me cooking. And that's another thing, like I said, I cook even more. Pick up some bacon. I don't bake, my daughter bakes. She's the baker in the house. So I don't like to attempt, but you know, and also with the couponing, you know, that had to stop. Well, not all the way, but I had to calm down on that because I can't be outside. Can't be outside. You know what I should do next time? I ain't gonna say, it's gonna surprise y'all. Just thinking of it here right now. You know it's tiring, my arms being up like this? Oh yeah. Come on out, baby. Well, So a Vaps just take me one day. You know, I had purple here, right? And then I went into, okay, the purple is running out. The black is, you know, of course, you see how much my hair has grown out. So always brown is actually where where my hair had grown out. So I went and I dyed my hair. I went and I bleached it first. And I bleached it and I said, okay, I'm gonna just leave it blonde. And then after I did that, it looked so pretty, the blonde. But of course the top was all brown, right? Because you know, when you bleach it, again, you bleach black hair, it gets brown. And then I got tired of that for like, I think it was a week and a half I had it in blonde. And I was like, I want to dye my hair. And I went and mixed some red dye that I had with some conditioner to get a pastel color. All I had was yellow dye and red dye. Oh, and orange. So I decided to do this. I did the red and it came out like pink. And the next thing you know, I'm on Instagram and boom. Cardi B for Fashion Nova here is pink. I was like, well, looky here. I always wanted to do teal because I want something that nobody else has. I like to be different, you know, but I want something that nobody else has. I wanted teal. Who I think is couple of the year in celebrity world? Random thought. Couple of the year. I don't hear nothing about Angelina Jolie no more. She became full-time mom. This is so good. I feel like I'm eating these. Oh, Jesus, it's stabbing me. I'm trying to be a little more decent on camera, but I would have been bite the sucker up. Oh my God, look at him. Fighting with me. Oh. It's like every time I try to eat crab on TV, I just fight with the crab. You notice that? Every time, I always fight. I like in here. This piece right here, I like that. I think the most meat in there. That and the gundi. That and the gundi. Shit. So in the comments below, I want you to tell me, should I rock blue lipstick from now on? Kind of liking the blue. Wanted my own little signature look. Should I rock blue? And a lot of people has been telling me, including family, that my black lip liner exqueezed me. It's old-fashioned. But I love it. I love it, y'all. I'm a 90s baby, so I love it. I'm lying. I ain't no 90s baby. I'm an 80s baby. But I grew up in the 90s. I love it. I grew up watching my mom wear black lip liner. And it's something I can't grow out of, but love black lip liner. So tell me, should I rock the blue or should I just go back to my black lip liner and do natural? I don't know. Just hit me up with a comment. Give me some ideas. I need some new features. Some, you know, that's nice. Still not too exotic, but you know, still to represent my island. Still to, you know, just be me and understand. If you don't know me, I'll try any shit because I'm crazy like that. I like cooked celery. How many of you dress up your fish and then don't eat nothing? Like the onions, the celery, I didn't put a big set of veggies in it, but I just love dressing it up. Steamed fish. Wrap it up and shove it in the oven. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, y'all. I can't wait to bead again. Wash these hands like I never washed them before. Look at this. Normally I eat it with a fork. But anyway, I don't know if I could drink wine on screen. I don't know. Like, I don't know. But I want a glass of wine. Because I get in the feeling. Yes, I get in the feeling. Feeling, oh. So, I want to have my glass of wine. But anyway, till next time. I'm still going. I have one more leg and half the fish to go. Trust me. Till next time. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button. Not the like. Smash the subscribe. Yeah, you could smash the like too. But try to please support a girl. Alright? And I'm trying to be bilingual for you too. I learn some Spanish and some French and thing. My kids come home with this, you know, class. So now I gotta learn it. But yeah, I want a glass of wine, so I will see you guys later. Love you. Stay flossy and glossy, people, as usual. Hello? Okay. But yeah, no, seriously. Keep safe. Love each other. Oh my goodness. And please, you new mommies, take care of your babies. Understand? It's impatient to have the toddler and the baby home, and too much babies going to the hospital nowadays. Please. Yeah. You know where I'm going with this. Take your time. Find your inner self. But I love you, people. Till next time. Cater for you. Yeah, man. Feeling. Feeling. Your style, baby.